think so. What do I say to him?
he has
The blue words.
he has to do the axis. I don't think
No.
this will make
Yes.
it here.
Okay, let's go. Or Larry, did you have to talk to it or?
Oh shit.
Don't I?
Move.
Fine, I think.
Should we kill or?
Can I talk to
Larry,
him now?
Does he need to kill?
yeah, okay, you have to kill this, Larry. I think. If you,
Larry has
if
to
you,
kill.
yeah, Larry.
Larry, come!
They're away.
I don't have. Everyone's running around. Stop moving.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Okay, I'm
don't I?
I don't have stone shower runes hotkeyed, so
Yeah, use.
let me find them in
terrorwaves.
my backpack.
Yeah,
Alright.
use terrorwaves.
Oh, don't die.
How many do I need to kill?
Like
Yeah.
10. That should be enough, probably.
Let me hotkey this real quick. Okay.
Let's
See if can enter that.
No.
No rip.
Try again. Do we have to do the access in time or?
Okay.
He's in.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh shit, what the fuck? There's a hole here.
Yes.
Oh my heart. Oh, I hate this place.
Okay. Let's go. We have to.
Yeah, we should go. We should go.
Go.
Here we have to go to the right. Right.
Yes.
No idea.
Right.
Just
Yeah.
going.
Go to the right.
Just go.
Go.
Come on.
Go. What? I'm resting the emptiness.
Yeah.
I don't know about this.
Shouldn't we stop? Are you good, Nizu?
I'm next to the druid, so maybe.
Come up here so that I can.
Oh shit! I thought you went off.
Oh my god, help.
So I can masterize you guys.
Okay, let's go.
Does anyone have an energy ring?
Yes, I do.
Go.
Where it is?
Okay, go.
Come on.
Where are you? Oh,
Up the hole.
Oh my god. I
Oh
died.
shit!
Really?
died?
Yeah, I don't have an energy
Yeah.
ring.
What? I thought you took it.
I'm coming back.
Oh my.
I don't think we have time.
What's the time limit for?
It was about to change. It's already changed already.
Oh no, this quest works.
Zila, come go down the hole. Or
I have like 20 creatures in me.
Yeah, go down.
go back. Yeah, go down.
Let's go before it spawns.
I barely made it.
This wasn't a great idea.
No, it just changed.
So I
Oh.
shouldn't come back?
Unless it changed to the same place?
No.
No, it's in Ankle.
Oh my god, where am I? What? I'm lost. I'm completely lost. I'm trapped. I'm staying here. I don't know.
Oh, there you are.
You're trapped?
Let me
I trapped myself, so I,
Oh shit!
Sila?
Yeah, the hole's gone. I can't come help.
I died.
Oh my god. What is it?
Nasion, you killed me.
Why didn't you go up? What were you doing?
Yeah, but you came up a second before me and you couldn't pass.
The hole's gone, so I can't come help.
So we're stuck here?
No. It's now
Okay.
it's in Ankramon.
Jesus.
Should I use my TP out?
Are you still in
No,
there?
no.
Where's Sarka?
Yeah. He's
I'm
on.
Just
here.
go up.
Wait.
Oh,
Bro, don't die. Are you dying? Please tell me you're not dying.
No.
Just go out.
Yeah, go,
Okay, there's one here.
Go up.
Jesus.
If I go to the Anchor Ramen portal, is it